Your crawl space is an important part of your foundation of your home. Stay tuned to hear how important it is to pick the right entry door. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Having the right crawl space entry can help protect your biggest investment, your home. In this video, I'll explain what to consider when choosing the right option. I will also explain why you would choose a metal door or a TURTL. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. The first thing and the most important thing anytime you're choosing a repair of your home is what's your budget. Crawl space doors can range from very cheap to very expensive. And so make sure that you know what you can afford and what you're comfortable paying for a good crawl space entry. The second thing is, what are your goals with the crawl space entry? Are you looking for just something to secure the entry of your crawl space, or is it something that you want to make to where it actually adds benefit to your home and your crawl space by including better insulation or better security? One thing is, it's not going to be the most appealing, but it's going to do the basic jobs. It's going to secure your crawl space, make sure those critters, any raccoons, possum, anything like that stays out of your crawl space. But it's not going to really help in insulation, and it's not as durable because it can rust out over time. A TURTL is the highest end of crawl space entries, so naturally they're going to cost a little bit more. But they are going to bring true value to the home by adding insulation, security, as it can be padlocked at any time, and just the ease of accessing your crawl space. So if you're getting underneath there to check the water lines, electrical, or just checking on the maintenance of your home, it's going to allow for easy access, a clean access, and it's going to truly help seal up that crawl space, as well as keeping all those critters out. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your options for crawl space entrances? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.